It's me, Fuzz Townshend. Right, I'm here at Coventry Boring and Metalling. Now this is a place where magic happens with ancient engines. They're brought back to life, loads of engineering going on here, and hardly any of it involves computers, apart from computers in people's brains, believe it or not. Look, these people here got computers in their brains. Look at that. That is an amazing ancient crankshaft. It's out of a Napier. And here, Napier cylinder heads. Amazing. Machinery in here. It's all brilliant, and these guys operate it by hand. So, I've got to say, Coventry Boring and Metalling, absolutely stunning, amazing. I wanted to come here for absolutely ages, and now I have. Maybe you should send your engine here. These guys know what they're doing.